Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of May 2026. And we just got finished with the US closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So the setup is pretty much what we do every day. We look for our strong candle indicator. We don't take strong candles into brick walls, but when we're pushing off of brick walls and we get these very nice strong candles, going this way, we're definitely going to be going along on this one. So here's that little triangle pushing up, saying go ahead and take this trade long. We just look for a little bit of a retrace for an additional failure, put our order on, and then we go. So now we have to figure out what kind of targets we're going to be going for. So we look up here at the PVI. The next candles we expect will be somewhere between 60 and 70 ticks long. So we'll go with our intermediate ATM. We'll go for 16 tick first targets where we'll de-risk the trade at 16 and then go for 30 and 60 tick runners. And here's how it all went down in the room today. So first thing we're going to have to do when we get picked up is put our stop where it belongs. And let's do that. Last major failure point. We only need that for a little while until our first target's hit, and you'll see that our stop will automatically come up to a break-even position once our first target's hit. And there we go. Perfect. Now we'll wait and see if we can get our runners hit. We'll speed up the chart a little bit and see how we do. So there we go. First two targets out. All we can do is make money at this point. So we have basically 60 ticks of profit so far. Our stop is at minus 14, so we can't lose any money at this point. Now we're running into Fibonacci's up here. So, but the signal is so strong. We got a new stair step. We just changed the trend to green. We just need to let it play out. And here's where it goes. Boom. That trade took almost 5 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We got plenty of education as well as indicators that you can only find with us. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.